Hello, Brad Wardle, aka Captain Wingnut from Cougar Ridge Ranch in the Uinta Mountains. Hey, today we're building some mangers for the wild animals. We had some big fires out here, and it has chased all the big creatures down to our level. And we've got the big high tunnel. Let me just show you that. We've got the big high tunnel. We call it the mothership, and we have to keep the deer and the elk, especially the males, away from that. And so out here in the back of me, up on the mountain, we're going to put some mangers with some hay to keep them attracted up there and not down at the mothership where there's garden stuff growing, because too many people around here have them open up the plastic and just go in and feed off of the gardens. Just to show you, we've got 7-8 foot fence around the other two greenhouses that the elk can't get past, but we haven't had a chance to put the fencing around the mothership yet. So stick with me. We're going to make some mangers out of some IBC cubes. All right, let's go do it. So we're going to take these top bars off. We don't need them. And we're going to pull this out, and we'll use this for the top and the bottom of the manger. So let's just get this off of here. 8 inches. So there you have it, finished product, ready to go. This cube had molasses in it. It's a little bit sticky in the bottom, but the deer will lick it off. They'll love it. I put stainless steel zip ties for the hinge. Just drilled some holes, put some stainless steel zip ties on. On the other side, I used paracord to be able to open the lid up and put a bale of hay in. So other than that, if you can weld, you can use the corners to make the corners, the bottom of it round. If not, you'll figure it out. It's pretty simple, pretty easy to do. All right, let's go put it up there. We got to drive up with the tractor because it's quite a ways away. All right, here we go.
I'll put this on the hill, then any moisture that gets in the pen can just come right out the bottom here. Good bale of hay. Well, there it is. A little manger out of an IBC cube, and I got 2 bales of hay and probably could have put 3 in it. It's pretty good. All right, Brad Wardle, Captain Wingnut, signing off. Hit the like button and subscribe, and there's a lot more coming, folks. Thanks for watching.